Hello and welcome to another Practical IT video. In this video, we are restoring a VM that we backed up using Rescuezilla to a brand new VM inside Proxmox VE. So let's get started. We will go and add a new VM. And we're going to call this Restore Ubuntu's. We are going to use Rescuezilla as our ISO. Default there, let's say 40. Two CPU cores, 2 gigs of RAM. Bridge networking, start after creation, finish. And so we're connected to the console, booting Rescuezilla. And we really just follow the opposite procedure. Instead of choosing backup, we're going to choose restore and just go ahead and push through the process. And when we get done, we should have a booting clone of our Ubuntu's VM that we created previously and backed up in the last video using Rescuezilla. All right, so we're going to choose restore. Share it over network. And we're going to choose EVE backup. Open, next, 40 gig QEMU hard disk, yes, and it's going to do its thing copying. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I will return once this has reached the end of the copy process. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, as you can see, in 6.9 minutes, we have restored to our clone virtual machine. We can go ahead and exit Rescuezilla and shut down. And I'll be back once this is completely shut down. Okay, we've got our machine shut down, and so let's start it back up and see if we've got a working clone virtual machine. And with a little luck, we will get to the login screen for Ubuntu's. And anytime now, we should have it fully loaded up. All right. We are doing great. So we've now made it to the end of the video, and we have a working cloned copy. And that'll bring us to the end of another Practical IT video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up, click the bell icon for notifications, and feel free to leave comments down below. I want to thank everybody for watching. Stay safe out there, happy computing, and have a great day.